Awesome. Is that a baby shark?
There it is, right there.
Yeah, there you
Wow.
go.
That's amazing. Nice way to display it. Look how they're lined up in there. Oh my God, that's like the best uterus ever, Sophie.
Wow.
I've always done it by like pulling them out one at a time, but look how they're arranged.
Whoa, look, is that like a sack? That's like a still attached.
So it's still got the egg.
Are you together?
Yeah. I can see it.
So you can
I
take.
kind of like the placenta. Take a picture.
Wow.
Of course, yeah.
really
I'm just
cool.
gonna remove one,
So that's
but
the
you guys,
egg.
this is the yolk.
Wow.
So the yolk gets much bigger.
No.
And so these are very juvenile little sharks. They still have the horns on them. They have not been cut off because they're not born yet, so you'll see that. Look at this tiny little baby. It's fully formed, but it's small. Pectoral fins, dorsal fin, caudal fin.
There's 6 of them.
Oh, this little one, is it a male or female? That's such a good question.
But you can sex
Can
them
you
at that
tell?
age.
Well, let's look for claspers. Let's see if it had. Wait, do I see?
Maybe tell you.
Does anyone have a probe? Do I have a